Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can schedule your posts on Instagram using Metricool. So to schedule your posts on Instagram, sign into your Metricool account and go to Planning tab. Here you can click either here anywhere in this area, or you can just click on Create Post. Both will open the same window. Well, there are two sections of this window. On this section, you will be able to see the preview of your post, and on this section, you will be able to create your post. Well, here are the tags of all the platforms you may have connected with Metricool, and since I'm interested in scheduling my posts on Instagram, I'm selecting Instagram and turning off all the other platforms. And when you click on this drop down, it gives you options whether what exactly you want to schedule. Since this tutorial is about scheduling posts, I'm selecting post. Now add your image and some description. Here is the characters limit you need to keep in mind while writing your description. Anyhow, here you can see the preview of your post, whether how it will look like when it will be published. And if you have some extra notes about the post, you can write them here. Also, you can check whether how it will look like on different devices. Now, select the time and date you see fit you want your post should go live. And if you want to use link shortener, you can just turn on this option. And also, you can add collaborators. Just add their username and they will be tagged. And when you are satisfied with your post, just click on schedule. Now your post has just been scheduled. And when you hover your cursor on it, it is showing that the status of this post is pending. And if for some reason you want to change the time and date, you can just drag and drop it there. And when your post will be published, the status of this post will change from pending to published. And when you go to your Instagram account, you can see that the post has just been published. And this is how it will look like. Moreover, if you want to reschedule this post, you cannot just drag and drop it to reschedule it. First, open it and duplicate it. And then change its time and date to reschedule it. And here you can see it's been rescheduled. And when you go to the Instagram section on the main page, here you will be able to see the stats of your account. And with the free Metricool account, you will be able to see the stats for 3 months without watermark. And this is how you can schedule your posts on Instagram using Metricool. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.